Hello guys, welcome to Startpad Tutorials. In this session we will be discussing about calculating the frequency of an RCC building in both X and Z directions using Rayleigh method. So initially we will construct a RCC building. So let us go to Start Pro. Select new project, select space, give name. Needs will be meter and kilonewton. Select next, select finish. Go to geometry, select run structural wizard, select frame models, select bay frame, view length, (24), 6 base, height will be 3, number of base will be 1, coming to width 24 and 6. Select apply. Transfer this model to main Start Pro screen. Now that you have transferred, you can select define rectangle, select 0.4 by 0.4 for columns and 0.3 by 0.3 for beams. Assign 0.4 by 0.4 for columns. Now assign 0.3 by 0.3 for beams. Now that you have assigned the property, you can go to translational repeat. Before that you need to select the entire structure. Go to translational repeat, select number of steps as 8-story building or else 6-story building. Default spacing is 3 in Y direction. Select OK. Now go to support, select front view, select create support, fixed support, assign the support to bottom nodes. Well, in order to calculate the frequency in both X and Z direction, so we'll go to loads and definitions, select load case 1, then load case 2. Select load case 1 for X direction and load case 2 for Z direction. So select load case 1, select add. First will be self weight in positive X direction, factor will be +1. Select add. Coming to floor load, it will be 6 kN per meter square in the range of 3 to 21 meters. For roof also we are applying 6 kN per meter square in global Y direction. Select add. Then you need to add Rayleigh frequency. So go to frequency, select Rayleigh frequency, select add. But you need to add Rayleigh frequency once we assign the loads. Select the entire structure, assign to the entire structure. Now select load case 1, select add, select frequency, Rayleigh frequency, select add, close. You have added Rayleigh frequency. Now go to load case 2. Actually, one thing is you done is you delete this Rayleigh frequency. Go to floor load, select edit. You need it in global X direction. Select change, close. Now you add Rayleigh frequency. Then go to load case 2, select add, self weight, +1 in Z direction, floor load 3 in global Z direction in the range of 3 to 21 meters up to the top floor. Now assign self weight to the entire structure. Then add Rayleigh frequency. Once you have finished this, you can go to analysis and print, select add, close, analyze, run analysis. So once we are done, we go to output file and we scroll down to the end of the page where you can see the Rayleigh frequency for X direction is 0.68997 cycles per second. Deflection is given, it is at joint 365, and for Z direction it is this way. So in this way we can determine the frequency for the loading conditions. In the next class we'll be discussing using another method, eigenvalue extraction method. So this is the end of the session. Do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.